Welcome back to Prime Edition, our socials.
At KBC Channel 1 on X, Facebook and YouTube. On to other developments.
All right. Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has moved to the Court of Appeal to challenge the High Court decision that upheld his impeachment and removal from office.
Gachagua says the High Court erred in law by acknowledging violations of some of his constitutional rights while declining to overturn the Senate decision that removed him from office.
Here's that report.
In his petition, the former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua is asking the Appellate Court to declare the Senate's October 17, 2024 decision to remove him from office as Deputy President unconstitutional, void and without legal effect. Gachagua is also seeking an amendment of the High Court judgment to include portions stated publicly during the delivery of the ruling and not incorporated into the written judgment. In his appeal, Gachagua argues that the High Court erred by finding that some of his constitutional rights were violated, yet ruling that the Senate's decision to remove him from office was not reversible. He further avers that portions of the ruling delivered in open court were omitted from the final written judgment. The former Deputy President is also challenging the public participation process conducted by the National Assembly and the Senate, arguing that it failed to meet constitutional requirements. Gachagua argues that the 50 million shillings awarded to him by the High Court for violation of his constitutional rights is inadequate to restore his dignity, uphold the Constitution, and deter future violations. He is further contesting the nomination and appointment of his successor, Professor Kithure Kindiki. Michael Mondiga for Prime Edition.